I just plucked one of our patients out from random that had wear on their teeth. This is enamel erosion or enamel wear on the lower front teeth. Actually, this is how their teeth are positioned right now. You see they're up high compared to the lowers, and they are overlapping the uppers quite a bit. That's why they've been prone to wear. Now, this is a patient in their 50s. What I want to show you, though, that really isn't totally understood by patients. We notice there's a chip on this tooth, but we also see some flattening of the surrounding teeth. You see how this is kind of at an angle, and this is at an angle, and you see how this is cupped out, and you can see here the enamel erosion or wear on the teeth is not linear like you might think of, sort of a geological kind of erosion of a rock, let's say, where it's little by little by little. What happens is there is gradual erosion of the edges of the teeth, but what you may not realize is that the edges of the teeth, when they start to get beveled and worn like this top part is not supported and it's very thin. Same with this tooth. You see how this is cupped out over here, but this wall over here is super thin. So I picked this case because this tooth just suffered what this is going to suffer. Now, it won't happen gradually. What's happening is it's sort of undermining based on the way the patient's bite is and their bite pattern and the anatomy of their upper teeth. So the teeth fit into this. And then what's going to happen is the patient could chip their tooth just biting into a nut or any innocent thing that would act as sort of the straw breaking the camel's back. And so a lot of patients say like, oh, I chipped my tooth. But really, that's just the culmination of many years of undermining of the enamel. And so you want to stay ahead of that. And in this case, in the patient's current bite, it's very hard to do anything to reinforce this. So our plan is going to be to lower these teeth down away from the upper teeth. Then she can have everything placed and everything will be reinforced before more things like this happen.